Hi, today we're going to learn how to create a custom form in the AAA e-commerce form builder app. To create a custom form, all you have to do is log in to the form builder app and then click on new form. When you click on new form, you're presented with a range of options where you can choose a custom form, registration form, wholesale customer registration form, contact form, and so on and so forth. For this example, you need to choose the custom form option. Once you click on custom form, give your form a name. I'm going to call it test September 23 and I'm going to click next. Once I click on next, I'm presented with a form builder screen where I can basically edit the fields of my form. To edit the pre-existing fields that are presented to me, first name, last name, email, and message, I just need to click on the field and click on the edit option to basically edit various options for that field. So instead of calling it a field label first name, I can call it maybe a primary name or given name. You can basically call it what you need to. Make your modifications, click save. Now you see that the field name has been changed, given name, last name, email, and message. You can drag and move these fields up and down as the case may be. Now, if you need extra fields, for example, a form element like a button, a checkbox, a date field. Let's say I want a date field. Any field in the form elements, this area, the form elements, can be dragged and dropped. So I'm basically going to drag the date field and drop it here under the message. Let's say I want a phone number field also. So I'm going to drag and drop and place it under the email. I can also add customer registration default fields. These are basically click and drops. These are not drag and drops. So if I want to say add a country, I just need to click on the field and you see it directly appears here. I can then drag it or move it where I need to. So let's say I want to move it to above the date field or maybe below the number field. I can do that. We can add multiple fields under the customer registration default fields and then the form elements. You can also edit any field. So for example, you want to make the number a compulsory field. You can just click on the edit option, choose the required, and you will see a star appears next to the number, which means it is now a compulsory field. And let's say you want to make the country field a compulsory field as well. Just click on that, click on the edit option, choose the required field. Along with editing the option, you can also edit the country choices if you do want to remove a country choice. Like for example, maybe you don't want China, or you don't want Angola, or you don't want Antigua and Barbuda. You can remove the country you don't need. Once you're satisfied with the options, remember to save. And the form settings have been saved successfully, as you see on the top here. After you finish dragging and dropping all the elements that you need to, right over here, click on the settings tab right on the top to enter the form settings, where you can choose if you want captcha, you want to hide or remove labels, you want the form text colors, submit button colors, email options where you can choose thank you email settings, reply to emails, email subject lines, admin email settings, multiple settings with your custom form, conditions, and integrations, whether you want to integrate it with MailChimp, Klaviyo, so on and so forth. Once done, click on publish. And all you have to do is when you click on publish, to copy the code available and paste it on a particular place in your Shopify store where you want this form to appear. Let's say you copy it, and then you can just use it anywhere on Shopify. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.